I don't have a face on yet, so I'm not gonna vlog my face, but I'm just getting ready to make a smoothie, and I wanted to show you guys what I put in it. So I pre-make these bags and throw them in the freezer. So like last night I made up a couple of them, but I cut up strawberries, pineapple, banana, there's carrots, a handful of spinach. I think that's all that's in that. And then I add coconut milk. I would normally add like organic yogurt, but since I'm dairy free because I'm breastfeeding Riker and he is not tolerating dairy, I'm using coconut milk. So it's lactose free and soy free. And then I add a tablespoon of this organic ground flaxseed, and this is really good for helping with your milk supply if you're breastfeeding mom. But it has other nutritional benefits as well. So I'm going to go ahead and make my smoothie, and I use my Vitamix, and I'll let you guys watch. So there it is, and it's super filling and full of nutrients. It's really good. For lunch today, I'm gonna have this wild rice. It's this Rice Select Royal Blend. This stuff is so delicious. Like, I'll just make up a big pot of it, and then it's ready for me to just heat up during the day, you know, for a couple days, because during the day I don't usually have time to like cook a full lunch. So I try and do things when the kids are sleeping at night, so the next day or the few next days I can just heat things up. And sometimes I would put butter on my rice, but since again I'm dairy free because I'm breastfeeding Riker, I use this Earth Balance organic coconut spread. It's really good. And then I slice up an avocado. And then I just spoon that right on top. Put salt and pepper on. And that is so good. Alright, so I just did some baked pork chops, and I used the Kellogg's crumbs and just put some seasoning on them and bake them for 20 minutes. And then we are going to have the salad. I'm going to cut up some avocado, and I always like to add craisins and sunflower seeds, and then my favorite dressing ever, just a very tiny bit of that. This kit also comes with sunflower seeds and some cheese and a special dressing, but I'm not going to use that because I can't have cheese because Riker can't have dairy. So anyways, oh, and then we're going to have rice with it. So that's what we're having for dinner. Madeline's playing with one of her new birthday presents. What do you think about that? So next she has to build, let's see.
Just like a square.
What colors are those?
Red and blue. They should be tiny.
Pay attention to the screen. Watch the details.
Oh.
Good job, Natalie, or Madeline.
Natalie.
Hey, baby boy. Oh, what's wrong? Are you being fussy, boy? So this game that Madeline got for her birthday is called Osmo Play Beyond the Screen, and it does some really awesome things. Here's the website. It's playosmo.com. And the girls were noticing that two of Shay Carl's kids.
I can't do this.
The Shay Tards channel. This is 2 of their kids, so the girls were recognizing that because they watch them.
Daddy, you aren't finished. You put the blue on.
Here, let's just dump them all out. That way it's like fast for you. And then when you're done, you just put them back in there, okay?
Super baby. Night night.